No apps, no cables, just your iPhone photos on your PC. First, open your browser and go to iCloud.com. Sign in with your iCloud account. On your iPhone, you'll receive a confirmation code to approve the sign-in. Tap Trust, so next time you won't need to enter a code. Once you're logged in, click on Photos. Here, I'll open the Favorites album, but you can choose any album you want. Select the photos you want to download. You can select them one by one, or press Ctrl+A to select all. After that, click the Download button. The photos will be downloaded as a zip file. Open it and extract the folder to save the photos locally on your PC. That's it. No apps, no cables, and it works on any computer.